Hi. So in this video, I will just summarize that what exactly we have done so far. It was really a long course, maybe, and then for you especially. So so I'll just try to, give you what exactly was the difference, okay, between two different types of data which I've seen in the case study 1 and 2. Okay, so let's open it. So in the case study 1, we saw that the equipment is a date, okay, and there was a delta CP, and then there was remarks, okay, and then QSL, and then UCL, okay, that's it. So we really did plot data with this, okay, and so we have seen this, and that was really amazing. There was a run button correspondingly, okay, so that's what we showed, in this. So here basically there was chamber, only single chamber, okay, but if you need two chambers, then you are going to have this. So where there are two chambers, one is chamber A and chamber B. So here there are two plots, but here we are getting to see, there's a single plot, okay. So that was the difference, between these two cases, okay. And any sort of information, if you want to add, you can add it over here, okay. That's why I've kept this space, empty, and you can actually create a data right from this cell or any other cell if you want, okay. So, and there was a chamber, so if you add a filter over here, you can see, so chamber A and B, these two different types of data used, which we have seen here, okay. I mean, the data type was same, but there was two chambers, we maintained in the same sheet, okay. I mean, yeah. So corresponding to single date, we have got AB, then 12, 13, 9, 9, all this, okay. So whenever there is a failure, then we do, so there is a 3 like here, okay. So in the B it was a fail, then we did again, so and then it got passed. So likewise it happens in the production, okay, and we have to maintain everything in Excel. But the best, I mean, the worst part is that we have only the this plot, the chart and all, which is not really friendly, okay. And there lies the problem, okay. And that is something which I really don't like, okay. So insert different types of charts, you have the freedom, but you don't, you have to drag and all, okay. And each parameter, okay, so corresponding to each parameter you have to drag, and that is the worst part, but which is obviously done automatically using Python or sort of any macros you use, let's say VBA. But obviously .NET developers are very less in number, and Python is really exploding in like, yeah, it's really exploding, okay. I mean, it's getting used in everywhere, in machine learning, everything. So VBA I consider is like a Swift code. I mean, not in terms of syntax, I'm saying. I mean, like a Swift developer won't have anything, any use in other sectors, okay, other than that, creating applications, or in the application development in iOS. So other than that, Swift has got no use outside. So VBA is the same language, so no, why to learn such type of languages, okay, which doesn't have any use in other sectors, okay. So here we did plot two plots, okay, and we have seen two plots here. So that was the major difference, between case study 1 and 2. That in case study 1 we had only one chamber, and in case study 2 we had two chambers, and we had to maintain the data in a single sheet. And how to then plot, how to extract the data for chamber A and chamber B, okay, and then plot it differently, okay. So that was a major challenge, but yeah, so we've come through so far, and there are going to be many more tutorials in the next series, okay. I'll show more complex type of data, okay. So just a preview, maybe if I can show you, okay, like yeah, just a moment. So yeah, here you can see, the chamber, these types of data, I mean, okay. So here you can see there are corresponding there are four layers. Number one, there are four layers, okay. and you have to do this. Okay, I mean, so there are 4 layers, and that you have to do. But the catch is that it's no more, and in each year it's not single row, it's actually 3 rows. Okay, and that is the challenge. Okay, so this is the case 4, and case 3 is the simpler one. I mean, layer 1, and we'll have only this much. Okay, so these types of data we'll see in the case in the next series. Okay, series 2, another 2 case studies. Okay, so yeah, see you. So best of luck till then. And also we have seen, I just forgot to add, we have also seen the basics. Okay, I mean, here the you start with tools setup, and then you start with the Python setup. Okay, and then you do with the pandas. Okay, and then you finally have the Xlwings. Okay, which is the linkage between the Python and the Excel. And it was really great journey for you. Maybe I hope really that you have learned something new. Okay, and give a shout out to all other your friends if you have, and just tell them this about this course. And I'm going to come with a lot more tutorial, a lot more courses this year. Okay, and yeah, so that's it for this course. See you. Bye. Hope to see you in the next course. Okay, thank you.